everyone, and thank you so much for joining me. Today is day 6 of the 7-day ab challenge. We are nearly there. So today is called Muffin Top Melter. Oh yes, oh yes. So it's all about those side little pouches sometimes we get, and it's okay to get those, but sometimes it's just good to work on them. So let's get started. 5 exercises, 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Our first exercise is coming up. It's a side plank reach through. So this is the modification. We've started reach through and open and reach and open, or by all means full side plank. So just 10 minutes of your day. I'm exhaling as I'm rotating, I'm inhaling as I'm opening. Can't even speak. Inhale, exhale. Good, other side. So remember, knee can be down. I'll show you the modification first. Bottom knee bent or going full side plank. Lift the hips, reach through. Inhale, exhale, or full side plank. Keep breathing. Really pull the belly in. I like to, as I'm kind of rotating and looking towards them, I really pull my core and I can really feel the abs working. Keep going, we're nearly there. Good. And then we are doing side plank hip dips. So again, I will show you the modification. Bottom leg bent. Let's lift. This hand can be there or it can be there to help you. Dropping the hips up and down. Good, or going into that full side plank. Keep breathing, pushing the hips up and then tapping them down. Nearly there, done. Other side. Get ready. Remember, you can always keep this hand there to help you, just to support you. Taking it up. Keep going. That's it. 1 second. Oh, that was a long old 50 seconds. And then a hip dip side to side. So onto the forearms. Go into full plank or have your knees down. I'll show you the modification. So knees are back, elbows under the shoulders, just tilting the hips from left to right or full plank, like you're trying to touch the hips to the mat, pulling the belly in. Good, keep going. 20 seconds left. 8 seconds. Done. Let's go back to the start. Side plank reach throughs. So elbow under that shoulder, I'll modify it. We'll go full side plank. As you reach through, pull the belly in. Really like to crunch that belly button towards the spine. Nearly there, keep going. And done. Other side, there's quite a lot on the upper body as well. Start off with that modification, tummy muscles in. Bend that bottom knee if you need to. Good, keep going. And as you rotate, really pull the belly in towards the spine. Done. Then we've got the side plank hip dips. Let's change over again. So bottom leg bent, top leg straight, or full side plank. Lift and lower. Again, if that's too much, you can actually just bend both knees. Lifting the hips. That hand could be there just to add that little bit more of support. Keep going, we've just got 2 more minutes after this. Good, well done, other side. Let's get ready. Make sure if you haven't subscribed, please do. And also maybe hit the bell and the little bell by the subscribe button. You get a notification every time I upload a new video. I'm doing lives every Saturday morning, live HIIT videos at the moment at 9:30. You can comment and work out with me in real time. Done. Hip dips. Let's go onto the forearms. I don't know why, but I have to keep moving my feet on this one. My feet keep sliding back. Rotating the hips from side to side. 25 seconds left. Come on, last exercise. 10 seconds. Done. Oh, well done, people, well done. That is day 6 of the 7-day ab challenge. Done. High five to you, high five. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you tomorrow for day 7. Have a beautiful day. Sending you lots of love wherever you are.